To make our projectiles spin, we can get them to constantly increase their rotation. So we want to go and add a constantly block in here somewhere. Constantly. And we want to set their rotation. So that's from transform. Set rotation of myself. And we want the rotation to keep increasing. So we won't set it to 0. We'll set it to whatever it currently is plus a number. So we need a plus block from operators. We need a block that gives us the rotation of myself, which is from transform. And then we want to increase that by, let's try 10. You can change this number if you want. Now let's test that out. We can see, very interesting. You can see that they rotate kind of weirdly. We need to center the anchor point of the object so that it rotates around the middle instead of the corner. So we'll do that when it's created. Go to when created and transform. We want center anchor point of myself. Center anchor point of myself. We could do that as soon as it's created. Test that out. That looks a lot nicer. Now we can make them fall as well. That'll look a bit cooler. Let's go give them gravity. So we want to go to physics, and near the bottom we want set reacts to gravity to true. So we can do that when it's created as well. We could even randomize its y velocity a little bit so that our projectiles don't all just follow the same path. So down in the shoot me away function, we want to give this some velocity. So go to physics, motion, set velocity x, change it to y. And just before we check the direction that it's facing, let's give it a y velocity of a random number instead of just a number that's fixed. So we'll go to operators, grab a random integer from 1 to 100, and we want it to kind of move up at slightly different speeds, so let's give it a negative velocity between 100, negative 100, and negative 400. We'll try that out. It's a bit nicer.